Amish start watching for signs that the plant is waking up. New growth in the center, a slight plumping of the leaves, or the emergence of pups all signal that the growing season is approaching. Watering frequency increases slightly, though it won't return to summer levels until warmth and light justify it. This gradual transition respects the plant's natural pace and prevents shocking it with sudden changes in care. All this careful winter management pays off when spring arrives and the plant responds with vigorous growth, but only if the harvesting is done correctly. When the time comes to harvest aloe gel, the Amish approach it with the same thoughtfulness they apply to every other aspect of plant care. They never take leaves from young plants, waiting until a plant is at least 3 years old and well established before harvesting. Young plants need all their leaves to photosynthesize and grow strong root systems. Taking leaves too early stunts the plant and can even kill it if too much is removed. The selection of which leaves to cut follows a specific pattern. Only the outermost leaves are chosen, the ones that are most mature and have been on the plant the longest. These outer leaves contain the most developed gel and have completed their primary growth function. The Amish never cut from the center of the plant where new leaves are emerging because this would damage the growing point and could kill the entire plant. A healthy aloe can afford to lose 1 or 2 outer leaves without any stress, but losing central leaves is catastrophic. The cutting technique uses a sharp, clean knife, making a clean cut as close to the base of the plant as possible without damaging neighboring leaves. A clean cut heals faster and is less prone to infection than a ragged tear. The knife is wiped with vinegar or held briefly over a flame before cutting to reduce the chance of introducing bacteria or fungi. These precautions might seem excessive, but they prevent problems that would be difficult to fix later. Immediately after cutting, the leaf is held upright with the cut end pointing down into a bowl or jar. Within seconds, a yellow or orange sap begins draining from the cut surface. This sap is latex, and it contains compounds that can irritate skin and upset stomachs if ingested. The Amish know from experience that this sap must be drained completely before using the gel. They let the leaf drain for 10 to 15 minutes until the liquid runs clear or stops entirely. The yellow sap is basically the aloe plant's way of saying, "Hey, I'm wounded here," and it's best to let it have its moment before moving on to the good stuff inside. After draining, the leaf is rinsed with clean water to wash away any remaining surface sap. Then comes the gel extraction, which is simple but requires a bit of care. Using a sharp knife, they slice off the serrated edges along both sides of the leaf, creating a flat surface. Then, like filleting a fish, they carefully separate the thick outer skin from the clear gel inside.